English common questions and answers. Listen and practice. What is your name?
My name is Michael.
Where are you from?
I'm from Myanmar.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
What is your job?
I work in a company.
Why do you study English?
I want to go abroad.
Where do you study English?
I study by my own.
How many languages do you speak?
I can speak 2 languages.
Can you speak English very well?
I can speak English very well.
How long have you been studying English?
I've been studying English for 2 months.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on April 1st.
How is weather today?
It is cloudy.
What time is it now?
It is 9:45.
How do you go to work?
I usually go to work by car.
Is English easy or difficult?
English is easy.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 0134.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can.
What day is today?
Today is Tuesday.
What is your email address?
My email address is mg@gmail.com.
Can you play piano?
Yes, I can.
Where is the nearest bank?
The nearest bank is on 62nd Road.
Where were you born?
I was born in Mandalay.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is white.
What time do you go to school?
I usually go to school at 8 a.m.
What are you going to do today?
I'm going to market.
What are you doing now?
I'm reading.
How much is it?
It is $5.
What do you do every day?
I listen to music and read book.
How long does it take?
It takes 1 hour.
How long have you been working here?
I've been working here for 2 months.